but this is the brand I'm using, and I've been using it for at least 8 months, and I love it. Andalou Color Correct SPF 30. The color is sheer tan that I use, so I'm fairly fair. So this is the one I use. It is vegan and has a beautiful light scent of rose because they use essential oils in this. So it's gorgeous to smell, and the color is really subtle. And I just add a little, there it is there, to my fingers, and I just, over the castor oil, tap it in. I don't really use sponges. I do have like a couple sponges that I use to add a little extra under the eyes and there under the nose and any like spots that you want to cover a little bit more, but I'm just patting it on here now. I know I don't usually do this kind of video, so this is new for me, but it smells beautiful. It has that rose oil smell, and it also has a nice dewiness to it.